I don't know what's going on today. But it's a lot of weird question answer asking. And then I woke up to a message that said your first gift is downstairs. So I don't know what's going on today. But I'm just going to make sure that I'm dressed and my wig is on tight. Right? So all I can really ask for is that my wig be on tight and to see what this day holds. So let's do our makeup. Where am I? Content bathroom, which is a hot mess. You guys know this already. Look. I don't know what the hell is going on. Maybe today is just going to be a nice day. Yeah, I think it's the proposal. The re-proposal. I don't know. This nail is getting on my nerves. My nails look okay. This one's lifting. I can fix it in the car. All right, let's do some makeup. Let me tell you something. My son's dad is the only person in this world that can surprise me. Like, surprise me. So, I'll be scared. I'll be scared. Like, legit scared. But let's get our makeup done. Let's go. You think today? Bragging on some crazy shit. So your foundation, you only need to look. Yeah. Are you ready? I told y'all a lot of me about where we need to be and what time. And y'all don't want to believe me. So here we are. Be late to my funeral, child. It's peach me, right? I have it here. I sprinkle a little calamine lotion foot powder. And that's going to be my setting powder. And bitch, we bake. That's my nose contour. Dark is your contour. Foundation under that. The freckle. Just a little. I know, sister, I know. Get this.